Hello home bakers and welcome to another Dr. Mummy Cakes tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make yummy homemade caramel. Just look at this delicious caramel that I made at home. Honestly, it is so much better than any store-bought caramel out there. And it's very easy for home bakers to make this at home. You only need 4 ingredients. You will need granulated sugar, double cream, unsalted butter and sea salt. Sea salt is optional for this recipe. You'll also need a good heavy base saucepan in which you're going to make your caramel. Pour your sugar into the saucepan and add the water. Use a whisk to whisk the sugar and the water so that the sugar dissolves in the mixture. Once you have done this, you should not mix your mixture anymore. What I do is use a pastry brush to brush the edge so that the sugar crystal doesn't burn too easily. Once you've done this, put the heat on to medium-high. You must watch your mixture. Do not leave it unattended. But don't mix it, just watch it. Intermittently, you can use that pastry brush to brush around the edges. You'll start to notice that the mixture changes from the white colourless sugar mixture and it starts to get a golden or amber colour. The darker your sugar mixture becomes, the darker your caramel will be. You need to watch it very closely. Once it starts to change colour, it can quickly go from being cooked to being burnt. Once the caramel mixture is ready, turn the heat off and immediately pour the double cream into the mixture. You need to be very careful at this stage as the mixture will bubble over quite vigorously. You can see I had to turn my camera off to prevent it from getting damaged from the splashes. Once you've added the double cream, you want to mix vigorously until the bubbling stops. Once the bubbling has stopped, add in your unsalted butter and turn the heat back, but this time put it on low heat. You want to simmer the mixture, whisking with your whisk until the butter starts to dissolve into the mixture and all the butter is gone. This step will take about 2 minutes. So this is the last step of making your caramel. So I'm sure you'll agree that this is quite a simple thing to make and it's absolutely delicious and you can store it in your fridge ready to use for all your baking goodies. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button now. I release a new tutorial every Wednesday, so you don't want to miss out on this. And also click the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video. So this is after about 2 minutes. You can see that the mixture is very well nicely combined and you can see those bubblings. Once you get to this stage, then you can turn the heat off. And your caramel is ready. Allow the mixture to cool down for a little bit, say for about 20 minutes, because it can be very hot to handle. Make sure you use heat-proof kitchen gloves. And here I've got my cleaner jars. These are airtight jars and I'm pouring the caramel into the jars. And there you can see my delicious caramel. So I'm going to leave it out to cool completely for about 2 hours and then I'll store it in the fridge and bring it out when I want to use for my baked goods. So I hope that you'll try this at home. I'll see you next week Wednesday. Thank you for watching my tutorials.